be on the schedule for like 1 hour. You know, they only give me 1 hour. 1 hour at a time. That's messed up. But I did get myself a couple days scheduled up in advance. So on Friday, starting Friday, I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna have plenty of hours on the schedule. Oh shit. To where we can hop in that platform and get on there and get some of them orders done. We at 26%. Y'all so proud of me, boy. I'm at 26%. Do you know how many clowns I delivered to get to 26%? Quite mad at myself right now. Kelly in the building. What did I say? Quanika in the building. Sharita in the building. Megan in the building. What up? 26%. We need 24 more points to get that good old priority. If you ain't getting no priority on Doordash, you ain't making no money. Okay? And I'm tired of being broke. If you tired of being broke, hit that like button on your way in. Look, you see them 3 dots up there? Top right corner. Tap that. Tap the like button, because we not getting started until we get at least 25 likes on this bad boy right here. Shout out to Ricardo in the building. Chris, lifeguard in the building. Jokes love from the South London. What's up, South London? South London in the building. 26%. Yes, sir. I've been working hard, y'all. I've been working hard. Delivering to all clowns, bro. I'm so mad at myself. Almost threw up in the car the other day. Delivering to that damn clown. But you know what? It's all good, though. Because even though the clown didn't tip us, I recorded the whole thing and I'm posting it on my channel. Because you know what? They got me messed up. If I'm finna be out here delivering to these clowns, you best believe I'm making a video out of it. And we're going to get some entertainment. And I'm going to get some Google AdSense out of these non-tipping clowns. If nothing else. 26%. We was at 13% like 4 or 5 days ago. Something like that. So we've been doing pretty good. My goal is to get to 50% by Friday. 50% by Friday. I might be able to do that. I don't necessarily got to do 25 orders in a row to get there, but I definitely got to knock some orders out for sure. Ooh, and it just started like thunder and the lightning just started right now. So as soon as it started raining, I think we're going to be good to go. Them non-tippers should start placing them orders. We doing some earn by time today, guys. I see 7 likes on this stream. We not getting nothing started until we get 25 likes. Miguel, Chris, Neverlack Media, Lifeguard, Cassandra, all y'all, hit that like button right now. Come on now. Who else? Ricardo. Who else? Megan, Sharita, Quanika, Kelly. I need all y'all to hit that like button right now. And all you goofies who just swiping through, all the goofies who just swiping through, you don't even know, you don't even do Doordash or order, you hit that like button too. Stop playing with me, because what you got to realize is I'm not getting this started until I see 25 likes on there. That's first and foremost. And secondly, it's about to rain. I only got an hour, so we don't got that much time. Matter of fact, it's 4:39 right now, so I actually got, what, 40 minutes? No, 50. I got 51 minutes. I see 12 likes. We got 51 minutes. I need 25 likes to be up there so we can get this started. I'm paused. Been paused for like 7 minutes now. It don't take 7 minutes for y'all to hit that like button. Let's give some shout outs real quick. See who we got in here. 49 watching. Hit that like button. Shout out to Megan. She know what's up. BZ SoCal in the building. Just tapped in. Didn't even know you were live. I just decided to go live. It was a humbug decision. So guess what? Hit that like button so we can get this started. I see 19 likes. We need 6 more. 6 more likes and we getting this thing started. Let them know what's up, Lee. Let them know what's up. They retracting messages. You know it's not alerting me when you go live. That's because you ain't hit that notification bell, my boy. You need to hit that notification bell and just, you know, just watch my videos. And then every single time I go live, I'll already be in your algorithm, because YouTube recommends videos based off what you got in your history. So based off whatever you got in your previously watched history, that's what YouTube recommends you. So if you watch my video I posted yesterday, and the one I posted the day before that, and the day before that, then you click on a couple of my YouTube shorts, whenever I go live, it is just popping up right there, because it'll see that you already been viewing my content. That's how YouTube work right there. I see 24 likes. We need 1 more. Who gonna be the lucky person? Give me 1 more like. Come on. Why you yelling at me? Because you're not listening. You need to listen. That's why I'm yelling. I wouldn't need to raise my voice if you would just listen. Hit the 3 dots in the top right corner. Okay. Hit the like button. We need 30 likes to get this started. You know, it was 25, but you asked me a dumbass question and I don't like that. Now we need 30 likes to get this thing started. Because what you got to realize is I'm not doing this for free. Okay. This takes a lot of energy